out. Red target.
Before watching my military news video, please subscribe my channel as a token of appreciation from you for my video. Thank you for your cooperation. Don't forget to subscribe. The Marine Corps may finally adopt a new sniper rifle through a stroke of luck. Army officials, continuing to develop their own brand new sniper rifle, told Task and Purpose that both the Marines and Air Force are committed to purchasing the weapon once the Army signs off on the improved system. Despite the budget turmoil currently rankling lawmakers and Department of Defense planners, the Army is moving ahead with the compact semi-automatic sniper system, CSASS. PEO Soldier spokeswoman Debi Dawson confirmed to Task and Purpose on January 24, adding that all CSASS's sniper performance requirements and capabilities are still valid. Marine Corps Systems Command did not immediately respond to request for comment.
Move left or right.
Das ist sozusagen eine Verlängerung direkt zu dem. Siehst du's?
Hä?
Siehst du's?
Okay, gut.
6 Kreuz. Gib mal einen Schießsack. Joker Herz.
The CSASS program was established in 2015 to field the replacement for the M110 Semi-Automatic Sniper System. In August 2016, Heckler Koch ended the Army search, winning a $44.5 million contract for a lightweight version of its 7.62mm G28E sniper rifle with a baffle-less suppressor. The CSASS program has persisted despite the ever-present specter of cancellation. Last fall, the Army scrapped its 7.62mm interim combat service rifle, ICSR, program just over a month after its first solicitation, a victim of shortfalls and budget uncertainties that have become a fixture of the military landscape as Congress funds the DoD with a patchwork of continuing resolutions. But when the ICSR went away, PEO Soldier reassured Task and Purpose that the CSASS program would not meet the same fate. The adoption of the CSASS by the Marine Corps would be a major coup for the service. The Marines have struggled to adopt a much-needed replacement for the M110 and M40A5, the latest variant on the Vietnam-era pattern that fielded to Marines during the 2003 invasion of Iraq. The service's delay has reportedly stoked frustration among Scout snipers, who complain of their rifles' limited range and light-caliber ammo.
Red target.
影響なし、蒼天胸中央9番的やったらヘッドショット。次は
5 and 6, well, the 11 and 12. We're gonna finish ranging.
Yeah, well, I just got the freaking thing back. So.
Be the left side of.
Alright, you're gonna have to dial this one.
でその右が赤の。
はい、そうです。
あ、了解。で、修正右4分の1。クリーン。
It's unclear if adopting CSASS will actually allay the frustrations of the Corps Scout snipers. Marine snipers wielding the M40A5 are accurate at a distance of up to 1,000 meters, according to military.com. The HKG-28 selected for the CSASS can only provide accurate fire at up to 600 meters. Should the Corps end up adopting the CSASS, it's unclear where exactly the sniper system will fit in a platoon's arsenal. Digital Gun Encyclopedia Modern Firearms suggests that the CSASS is best used as a support weapon at squad level during foot patrols, but as recently as December, the Corps was testing a variant of the much-loved M110 infantry automatic rifle for potential use in a squad-designated marksman role, even though the CSASS has an extra 50 to 100 meters in range on the eye.
Alright. You're gonna dial for this one, right?
Oh yeah. We can't hold that far. Yeah, what we're doing here today is that we're testing the students' overall ability to mill out and find distances of unknown targets and successfully engage them with 2 shots. We like to call that exercise the final shot. The sniper will get down by himself. He won't have a spotter with him. He will mill the target, figure out his own range, put the correct dope in the gun, make his own win call, and he'll engage the target, and hopefully he'll get that first round hit. Lock and clear. Commanders, will get back to them a well-trained, highly qualified sniper from the United States Army Sniper School. We seek for nothing less in that aspect. Every guy that is sent to us, we mold them into the best shooter that we possibly can. So these commanders are getting back some excellent shooters right now.
All of this may be moot if the Army somehow bungles the CSASS acquisition. Though Dawson stated last September that the CSASS has encountered no budgetary or political obstacles, she told Task and Purpose today that the branch has not yet identified production funding for the CSASS. Whether the Marines and Air Force actually get their hands on the new sniper system depends entirely on the Army and, in turn, whether lawmakers work together enough to give U.S. troops downrange the tools they need to get the job done.
Not seen.
Not seen.
Hit.
Center hole, Baron. Center mass. Dale, dale. Miss.
Heidenberg. Am I ready?
Shoot ready.
0.5 left, stomach.
Do 30. Jest 30 stopni, nie?
No.
And 3, 2, 1, go. Miss! Miss! high. I got my glass. You ready? It's in the clearing.
Yeah, it's
High
it looks
left
like a
of the
T.
clearing. I see it.
We got it.
Hit! 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 Hit!
Go, go.
I think I can see some hackers. You can see?
Get back on it. Fucking lost it.
You pull all those or what? Okay. Come pull. Give me right.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget likes, comments, and share. My videos are viral and continue to subscribe to other military videos from me. By subscribe my channel so as not to miss other recent military videos.